Hello there, this is Clone Brother Reviews, and today we are making a LEGO MandR Productions, so without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you're going to want to be taking the legs from any minifigure that has them. I'll be taking mine from Reva. I used the tank top from this LEGO City minifigure, and I think it works quite well. The head that I used comes from this Mercedes AMG driver. And finally, the hair that I'm using comes from Poe Dameron. If you've done it correctly, your minifigure should now look something like this. Feel free to pause here if you need a reference photo for when you're building it. Overall, I'm quite happy with the way that this minifigure turned out. MandR is a great person when deciding on what LEGO sets that you want to buy, and he provides a lot of insightful opinions. So yeah, that is that. If you have any ideas for any more minifigures that you would like to see me make, feel free to leave a comment down below or reach out to me on my Instagram. Also, if you enjoyed this video, maybe you could like it, and if you really enjoyed it, maybe you could subscribe if you're not already. I imagine many of you watch Republic Studs as well. It just so happens that I made him a few weeks back too, so if you want to watch that, feel free to click on the end card, which should be in front of you now.